It is Autism Awareness Month, and local experts want to encourage community education, the importance of support, and finding resources. Our Sedona Meadows learns from these experts what we're seeing now as far as autism diagnosis and how to find those resources.
We are surrounded by autism every day, whether it be with children or adults.
We've seen these numbers dramatically rise from well under 1% of children to over 2%, looking at almost 4% in boys.
Dr. Ann Brizendine, an assistant professor at the UAB School of Public Health, says autism diagnoses have increased because of the increase in awareness and conversation surrounding it. And in most recent years,
we've seen sort of Gen Z and TikTok growing in social media. They're starting to recognize a lot of these traits in themselves and seeking out diagnoses that way.
She defines autism as a developmental difference related to social communication and behaviors and overall how people move through the world.
It is a spectrum. You can have folks that have autism who really need very little support, and then you have individuals who may need lifelong support.
The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends screening kids for autism at ages 18 to 24 months. But according to Dr. Brizendine, right now we're seeing kids diagnosed closer to 4 years old.
You want to be able to connect kids to the resources that will help them thrive throughout their lives.
Does the child need occupational therapy? Do they need speech therapy to communicate? Communication is key.
Jenny Morris, the Associate Director for Autism Support of Alabama, says there are also many resources for adults diagnosed with autism.
There are people in their 30s, 40s, and 50s getting diagnoses, and it's important for them to not think that it's structured just for children.
Autism Support of Alabama holds scholarship programs for adults
to help encourage more people with autism to follow their dreams of school or tech school or university,
as well as a grant program for families. And a big thing that both Morris and Dr. Brizendine encourage is for people to find that community support.
The amount of knowledge that is contained in the community and the amount of knowledge that parents are able to pass back and forth and really build that support network.
Sedona Meadows, Fox 54 News.